course, you know us. Date night with my baby. Yeah, boy finna ride a Harley Davidson. You see him? No, don't take off the rag now. Let him see you ride that bike. What's on my camera? Hello. Oh, there's something on the cam. Bam. Alright, well, I'll go back home when I get back inside of there. Just know that that's my brakes. And get off of them. You know? We're gonna bring the curls back, bring the curls back, bring the curls back forward, bring the curls back forward. That's it. Hey everybody. Face ass. Trying to shoot some content looking at. Hey everybody. Me and my man, my man, my man, my man. You stay good. Yes. All right, back to our regular scheduled program. Today we are doing a flip over method quick weave. She wanted like a full bob with a whole bunch of color. She kind of didn't want any more color on her natural hair, but she still wanted to give the effect of a new color. So let's watch. So
yeah, that was it. So then that day I dropped him off at like 6 o'clock in the morning.
I do mine with a little bit of twist. I sew my neck strips down only because why not? I use a lighter cap so that you girls can know where to cut the cap off, because sometimes when I sew it down on the black cap, y'all have trouble taking it off. This part, I'm making the tracks go side by side so that she has the ability to flip left to right. Wow, disclaimer, shame on you, Uber, because you had my friend sitting on a box. Y'all, look.
For no reason, creeping on the weekend. Let's get secret. Creeping on the weekend, sleeping to the weekend. I don't like it creeping. Let's get secret. Dying just dying for no reason. Creeping on the weekend. Shades on my eyes so you see my face. You right behind me, trying to keep the pace. Just one more block until I'm eating place. I got someone, but we ain't been okay. Is it really cheating if it's only for the weekend? Tell me if I'm tweaking, girl, cause we ain't even speaking, girl. Both of us be cheating, so why we still be linking? So tell me what
D.V.S.N concert, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. He put on a good show. Shout out to you, D.V.S.N.
creeping on the weekend, sleeping to the evening. I don't like you leaving. Let's get secret. Dying just to keep it. Dying for no reason. Creeping on the weekend. Let's get secret. Creeping on the weekend, sleeping to the evening. I don't like you leaving. Let's get secret. Dying just to keep it. Dying for no reason. Creeping on.
First, we start off by putting on this sweat bag. And Ronnie makes me do it before. Okay, there you go, Ronnie. And he makes me put it on before every workout so that I can sweat obsessively. I'm gonna call these ball up sit downs. And I had to do 15 and then I had like a 10-second rest. I'm gonna call these the Dora Get Up the Mountain and Kick Swiper backs. My thighs aren't heavy enough, he makes me put on ankle weights, and then he makes me kick. Oh, hold on, I had to dance. But then he makes me kick. Girl, gets the love handles out of love.